Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a holiday project and a really fun and quick one, I promise. I'm making this darling little Wreath gift card holder, and this is also a collab with my friends here on YouTube, Miranda and Matt. They have the sweetest family vlog channel. They're doing a Wreath project as well. I'm gonna put links below to their video as well as their channel, so go on and check them out. But first I'm gonna show you how I made this. I used mostly things I already had at home. All I bought for this was these little clips from the dollar spot at Target, so super affordable. I'm sure that you have items like this in your closet as well, so I'm gonna show you step by step. It's super simple. I'm starting with what's going to be the base of my wreath, which is this long string of garland. It might actually look like a wreath to you, but it's not. This is actually just, I think it's about a 15-foot length of garland that came from the Dollar Tree. It's what I already had in my decorations closet, and it works. It looks nice and full because I've left it looped up. This is how it comes when you buy it in the store. It comes in this circle like this already, and it's going to work great for this project. Now around the wreath, I'm wrapping a string of lights that I already had. I think I got these at the Target dollar spot. They're really pretty, and the wiring on this is actually green, so they're blending in very well. And I'm just wrapping it around. I am being cognizant of where each light is and making sure that all of my lights end up on the front side of the wreath, so you see as much of that light as possible. I'm using a little electric tape here to hold everything in place at the top. You could use any sort of material. You could even tie this with yarn, just something so you keep everything nice and secure in a circle. And you'll also see the battery pack for the lights. I've made sure that was nice and tucked under that electric tape as well. And then I just twisted on this little bow that I had. I also think this came from the Dollar Tree. Here's the only thing that I bought for this project was this little set of clothespins. This came from the Target dollar spot. I got about 6 for $1. They're glittery gold, and I'm attaching them with some hot glue. I'm just kind of spacing them around the length of the garland of the wreath to make sure they're evenly spaced out, and I put one clip for each gift card that I intend to use. And now I'm putting on my gift cards. I used a set of 3 Starbucks, and then I used 2 Disney gift cards. This is going to be for my 17-year-old sister. She really is my baby sister. There's 17 years between us. Red and green cards, perfect. That's it. I love how this came out. I was going sort of for like an ugly sweater feel for it. I wanted it to be just a little too much, very bam in your face, and I think I achieved that. This was really fun to do. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on doing something like this, how you like to give gift cards. Like I said in the tutorial, this is for my baby sister, and she is a teenager. I think gift cards work really well for teenagers when you just don't know what to get, but you still want to make it look fun and special. Try this out. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that red subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I've got a ton of DIYs every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, always really simple. Head on over to Miranda and Matt now. Tell them I sent you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.